Hey queens and kings, so let's get started. But first, what I did was I removed the back of the little clip that actually hold the picture frames in place. As you can see, the screw and everything is a little small little mini screw, as well as this. So I removed this one and I removed this one. So all we're gonna do is just pop that out, pop the picture frame out of there. Now the reason of us removing this out is therefore so we can place our mirrors in there. So you're gonna need your glue gun, and what you're gonna do is place some glue down. Now we're gonna place our mirror. So therefore, like this. And what I'm gonna do is just put a little more glue just to secure just a little bit more so it doesn't move or anything like that. So this is how your frame should look on the back. And this is how it look on the front. Okay, queens and kings, so we're gonna start off after you have completed all your picture frame, all 4 picture frames, which they all should look like this, as I'm showing you these 2 here. What you're gonna do next is basically we're gonna secure these together like this. But as you can see, it does have a gap in between. So what I'm going to do is just break this apart. So what we're going to do is just line it up like this because we want it to support. Take our glue gun and we're just going to fill it up with glue. Okay, so we have that like this. And what we're gonna do is take our other side, our 4th side, and do the same thing. So it slides in like that, and we're gonna secure it. We're gonna secure that like that. Now, we're just gonna cut those right on off. Okay, so when we're done, your box will look something like this so far. This is what we have. This is how it looks on the insides. So what we're gonna do is line our box up with our styrofoam on the edge, and we're just gonna cut that down to size. So you may want to use a knife, or whatever you have. You use your X-Acto knife. Okay, queens and kings, so I have cut my board down. So now that I have cut my board down, what I decided to do is insert my board down in here. So therefore it can lay flat, because as you can see, I still have those little 2 pieces that support in there. These here, I still have those to support. So what we're gonna do is basically put this in there like this. Flip the box over. So therefore, it can just sit. So it can just sit and rest in there like that. Don't need any glue. So yeah. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is cover up those little ugly sides and everything. And we're gonna use some of these stickers, little gemstone stickers here. So what I want to do is continue with the bling. And what we're gonna do is just place some bling. Okay, queens and kings, so this is all I did. And I did that all around each side. I'll just place some glue in there. We just place glue in there, and we're just gonna stick our styrofoam right on top of that. And since I don't have a big wide styrofoam, so I'm just gonna place this in the center. So these are the flowers that I'm going to use, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut these down. Not too short and not too long, because I want them to just bloom out of the box. So I have plucked all my flowers, and if I need some more, I'm gonna just go get some more flowers, because I do have another bunch. But as you can see, I have already started placing my flowers in, and what I'm going to do is just place my little peach or orange flowers here, or whatever. These are so pretty, but whatever I do on one side, I'm going to do on the opposite side. Okay, queens and kings, so this is the finished centerpiece. What do you guys think? How do you like it? Look at the color, Jack. The colors are so rich and vibrant. Like, it pops off this box. It's just too gorgeous. Then you got mirrors on each side as well with the bling. Like, I love this Mother Day gift here, which she can actually use this forever. She can place this on her centerpiece. She can place it on her stand. She can place it on her nightstand. She can even have this at work. She can place it on her desk. And why not? She also have mirrors with it. So, you know, us as ladies love mirrors. We love to look at ourselves anyways. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed the video. If you do, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Also share the video. And if you're a new queen or king just stopping by, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? As well as the notification bell, so you don't miss out on another video. Like, yes, look how gorgeous it is. And it looks so well on this table. Like, oh my goodness, just the perfect centerpiece. So, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the next video. I hope you all have a blessed day. Love you guys. Deuces.